Take 3. And action.
Well, what's there to talk about? I just want my toolbox.
Well, let's make things interesting. How about a test of wits? Winner gets the toolbox.
All right, that's fine by me. Let's just get through this so I can get my toolbox.
All right. How about a test of riddles? You go first.
All right. Why did the chicken cross the road?
That's easy. To get to the other side. Your uncle's sister. What relation is she to you?
I guess in-law?
Ha! Your mom! That's a loss for you. Now let's go on to your next challenge.
Alright. And go ahead, Dale.
Well, that's all I got. Mike tricked me again.
Tricked you? What do you mean?
He beat me in a riddle contest. And when I went to grab my toolbox, that's all I got.
Alright, cut.